Guys, tignan nyo yung mga suggestions under trentahin. What's up guys? So kabubukas ko lang ng Disney Plus sa TV, and if you scroll down, meron na siyang category dito. It's called trentahin. Would you look at that? Trentahin guys, tignan nyo yung mga suggestions under trentahin. Hannah Montana, High School Musical, Camp Rock, Such a Classic, Demi Lovato, more High School Musical, Jonas Brothers, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Grabe, parang sa Channel 9 pa or Studio 23 yung dati. Ano pa nandito? The Incredibles, which come to think of it, 22 years ago na pala nilabas. Kim Possible, parang napanood pa sa Channel 2 yan. So there you have it, why the attack Disney Plus trend time. When you browse yung Disney Plus home screen ninyo.